morning student, let's begin with exercise number 6.3. But before we start the exercise, you should have to learn some theorems. Okay, here we are going to apply and you are going to learn the criteria for similarity of triangles. Okay, in 9th standard you learn the criteria for congruence of triangles, right? SSS, SAS, RHS, AAS, SAS, ASA. 5 criteria you have learned in 9th standard. So in 10th standard you will learn the criteria for similarity. Okay, by which criteria we can prove the triangles are similar. So here you are going to learn the criteria for similarity. Basically in 6.3 you will focus on criteria for similarity of triangles. So we have 3 main criteria. AAA similarity criteria, or you can say AA also, SSS similarity criteria, and the third one is SAS similarity criteria. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, AAA, that is angle similarity criteria. According to this criteria, if two triangles are equiangular, what do you mean by equiangular? मतलब कि दोनों triangle के angles equal है, then they are similar. By which criteria? AAA. In other words, if in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. If their corresponding angles are equal, means the triangles are similar, and if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or same proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar by AA criteria. Suppose, for example, this is a triangle. This is suppose triangle A, B and C, and suppose this is triangle P, Q and R. Suppose angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. So we can say that triangle A, B, C is similar to triangle P, Q, R by AAA criteria. This is the sign of similarity. Okay. साइन ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट आपको पता है, ये होता है साइन ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट, एंड सिमिलैरिटी में ओनली दिस साइन इज देयर. ठीक है. नाउ द सेम इज ऑल्सो कैन बी प्रूव बाय AA सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया, बिकॉज यू नो दैट इफ एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल P एंड एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q, इट इज बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, इट इज ऑब्वियस दैट एंगल C विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल R, इजंट इट? सपोज अगर A आपका 30 डिग्री होता है तो और P भी आपका 30 डिग्री होता है. सपोज आपका B जो है, सपोज वो है आपका 100, से वी कैन से 100, ओके, लेट इट बी 100, एंड Q इज ऑल्सो 100. ओके, सो एंगल C बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यू कैन फाइंड आउट 180 माइनस 130, 50, ये 50 आ जाएगा आपका, और R भी वैसे एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से 50 आ जाएगा, तो ऑफ कोर्स थर्ड एंगल विल बी इक्वल. सो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज AA सिमिलैरिटी से भी डायरेक्टली प्रूफ हो जाएगा विदाउट द थर्ड ट्राइंगल, बिकॉज वी नो दैट इट इज कॉमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट अगर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से अगर दो एंगल्स इक्वल हो गए करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, तो थर्ड एंगल तो इक्वल आना ही है बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. सो इफ टू एंगल्स ऑफ वन ट्राइंगल आर रिस्पेक्टिवली इक्वल टू द टू एंगल्स ऑफ अनदर ट्राइंगल, देन द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर बाय AA criteria. One more thing you have to keep in your mind, if the triangles are similar, okay, by any of the criteria, then their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. For example, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Okay, अगर दोनों triangles similar हो गए तो उनकी corresponding sides will be in the same proportion. So this is the first criteria, AAA criteria. Now let's discuss the second criteria, SSS similarity criteria, that is side similarity criteria. What is side? If in one triangle, side of one triangle are proportional to the side of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and then the two triangles are similar. What is asked ki in one triangle, suppose this is a triangle ABC, this is triangle A, B and C, and suppose this is a triangle P, Q and R. So what it says, if in one triangle side of one triangle are proportional to the side of another triangle, that is AB proportion to PQ, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. If that is the case, if the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, we can say the triangles are similar. Therefore, the triangles are similar by which criteria? Side criteria. ओके, द साइड शुड बी इन अ सेम प्रपोर्शन. कॉन्ग्रेंस में भी एस था, बट कॉन्ग्रेंस में क्या डिफरेंस था? द साइड्स in a congruent triangle the sides should be equal, and in a similar triangle the sides are not equal. In fact, they are in the same ratio, they are in the same proportion. All right. Now, and if the triangles are similar, of course their corresponding angles will be equal. ठीक है. Now the last criteria is SAS criteria, side angle side criteria. What is it? According to this criteria, if one angle of a triangle is equal to the one angle of the another triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. What it says, suppose this is a triangle ABC. Suppose ये आपका हमने triangle बना लिया A, B and C, and suppose this is PQR. This is P, Q and R. What it says, if one angle of a triangle, let it be angle A is equal to angle P. It is है, ये गिवन है हमारे पास, एंगल ए और एंगल पी इक्वल है, एंड द साइड्स इंक्लूडिंग दीज एंगल. अब वो साइड जो इस एंगल को इंक्लूड करती है वो साइड्स कौन सी है? ए बी, ए सी, और यहाँ की है पी क्यू एंड पी आर. दे शुड बी इन द सेम प्रपोर्शन. ये साइड्स का प्रपोर्शन सेम हो, मीन्स ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू is equal to AC upon PR. If that is the case, we can say the triangle ABC similar to PQR by which criteria? Side angle side criteria. Understood? Side angle side similarity criteria also you have learned. But what is the difference? In that it is AB is equal to PQ, angle A equal to angle P, and angle AC equals to PR. Then the triangle are congruent by side angle side. But it is a similarity. Similarity में sides क्या होनी चाहिए? Proportion में होनी चाहिए. So here AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR, and angle A is equal to angle P, and so we can say the triangles are similar by SAS criteria, similarity criteria. Let's start. Let's apply these properties. Let's apply this similarity criteria to solve exercise number 6.3.